The Blustream SW42DA is a Dolby and DTS Audio licensed 4-way HDMI switch that has been engineered to break out, convert and downmix embedded Dolby or DTS audio via the Dante networked audio platform. The product features 4 HDMI inputs which can be switched to the dual HDMI outputs simultaneously. It supports HDMI 18 gigabits per second specifications, including 4K 6444 UHD video, including HDR10, 10+, and Dolby Vision. Advanced features of the SW42DA enable independent routing and downmixing of all audio inputs, including support for ARC and eARC audio directly from displays. The managed audio can be transmitted directly via the RJ45 output onto a Dante platform for seamless multi-zone integration. The SW42DA delivers an advanced but cost-effective solution, ensuring 4K UHD video and multi-channel audio can be distributed around a Dante multi-room system. A great example is a marine system that has multiple audio and video output requirements. The SW42DA enables a dedicated cinema and media room to optimize their AV setup, whilst also sharing the content with a multi-zone system where the downmixed audio is required. Blustream, AV distribution without compromise.